Leetcode easy problem 1518, water bottles. So first, we can see that the number of water bottles that we can drink will be the same number as the empty bottles. So all we care about here is the number of empty bottles. And with these empty bottles, we can do an exchange. So these will be the two variables we're gonna monitor. Say we can keep doing this exchange again and again. In this example, say we have empty bottle of 15. And we can calculate this 15 or divide this 15 by the number exchange, which is 4. We can get a 3 with a remainder of 3, which gonna give us a new empty bottles of 6 by just adding these two numbers up. Actually, this 6 will be the number of bottle after exchange. Then we can move this exchange bottle for the empty bottle for next round. Obviously, we can keep doing this as long as the number of empty bottle is greater than the number of exchanged bottle. So, sorry, the number exchange. So from the start, we're gonna have this number. So we start this for the result. As long as this empty bottles is greater than the number exchange, we can keep doing this.